Considering a career as a paramedic is a decision that comes with both passion for helping others and the rigor of medical training. To embark on this journey, it is essential first to have a high school diploma or a GED. This foundational educational requirement opens the door to further specialized medical training, paving the way toward an impactful career in emergency services. Once you have your diploma, the next step is to enroll in an emergency medical technician (EMT) training program. EMTs play a crucial role in emergency care, as they are trained to perform life-saving skills such as CPR, manage airways, control bleeding, and safely transport patients. After completing the program, passing a certification exam, and satisfying your state's requirements, you can officially become an EMT, even though you're not yet a paramedic. Transitioning from EMT to paramedic involves deeper training. Paramedic programs delve into advanced medical education, covering subjects like anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology. Students participate in clinical rotations in hospitals and work alongside experienced paramedics on ambulances, gaining practical, hands-on experience. This phase of training typically spans 1 to 2 years, offering either a certificate or an associate degree. After graduation, aspiring paramedics must pass the National Registry Paramedic exam and secure a state license to practice. Daily life as a paramedic is both rewarding and demanding. Paramedics respond to a wide spectrum of emergencies, from medical crises like heart attacks and strokes to traumatic events such as car accidents. Making swift decisions under pressure is vital, as those few seconds can determine a patient's survival. The job offers a unique blend of excitement, unpredictability, and the profound satisfaction of making a real difference in people's lives during their darkest moments. While the financial compensation can vary based on state, level of experience, and type of employer, paramedics generally earn a respectable salary. Those working for fire departments or specialized agencies often receive enhanced pay. It's noteworthy that aspiring paramedics from other countries can pursue this path as well, although they must meet U.S. training standards and licensing protocols. Though the journey to becoming a paramedic is challenging, the rewards are immense. The respect and gratitude from those you help make every effort worthwhile. This career path is more than a job. It's a dedication to serving the community and being a beacon of hope in times of crisis.